All right now, Cape Verde won Super Eagles of Nigeria. They delivered two goals normally for the match, even though they won their own goal. But the one where they important pass now, so they delivered 3 points. And now that one mean be say they don't get 6 points from the two games, so they don't play for inside Group C for this World Cup qualifying group. So and we get one very ogbongelistic football fan, person will be like say normally big fan of football, and in the follow up Super Eagles of Mata bumper to bumper. We get Oga Carl. Oga Carl, now how you say this match? Cape Verde won and Nigeria two.
Thank you for the show again. We enjoy the show. Like say we blessing that we dey play the balls ever come off the show the corner let's the
No
game.
be lie, no be lie.
So now so we see am. So the game they very interesting because I watched the game. I watched the full 90 minutes. The game you want for first half, but second half God can't do am, can't deliver. The winning goal, and I'm even from an error from the defensive of the Cape Verde side. I would take get the goal. So we thank
Yes.
we get the win, but we not really play like Super Eagles. We sabi we will know, but we still come out with the result. So we thank God for everything. So now the next one we dey watch on to now, which is against Central African Republic. I believe see we go the top of the group all through the qualifier. So that's why I see the game today.
All right, now no be like Oga Carl. You don't talk about the performance when be like say the team delivered today.
Mm.
But we know say definitely now the 3 point nice short pass and they deliver the 3 points, even though so they not play well the way we they expect because say normally we Nigeria people we get very high expectation when it comes to Super Eagles matter. So
Yeah.
but we know say because of this COVID-19 wahala, the katakata for COVID-19, the UK based players and if we play this match against Cape Verde today
Mm.
because Cape Verde now one of the countries when UK get wahala with because of this COVID-19. The numbers for Cape Verde, high where. So how you see the absence of the UK-based players? Because me and you know say most of those UK-based players, them the starter for this team, them the key player for this team. How you see today match without these UK-based players?
Yeah, I go talk say the team really show for the game where we say we not get all those players we for the game because at some point for the first half we be not feel possession long enough for the game. So it really affect us. The likes of them Tebo and them Ndidi, they we miss them where today because we can't lose ball enough from the midfield. And only for the defense we try because we get experience with Mary for which we cover up many lapses. But we really
Yes,
in midfield well, and our attack not too bad at all because Osimhen press well for there. Osimhen try make it
true.
delay for us. He play the game with the heart. So do we really miss them well, especially in Nacho because now just possession for really miss them sha, because at some point we not confident hold on to ball for like 10 minutes. We not feel but we always lose the ball even to make true pass. We not if connect with our midfielders because most of the midfielders we start with they be first timers, they be debutants. So the team really show well, but we believe say but we just thank God say we win the game after we come out with the result, sha, because not be say we not play anything compared to what we know before. So we really miss those players where it show for the team where we say they not did the game.
All right, no be lie, Oga Carl. Me, I agree with you for that one because especially that midfield matter where you talk. So we know say those three people when the mainstay for inside that Niger midfield, Etebo, Indidi, and Joe Aribo.
So
Those
yeah,
three people we know there for inside today game. We really miss them too. You understand? And this Frank Oyenka too, still UK based too. Then another player when for still play for inside that midfield. But the people who still play, sha, they still try they still
right.
put up a good performance, fight for the JC, fight for the country colors. And another one where I want to talk about, to get one of the players where be like say stand out, and I like in combination with Collins for that left side of our game today. Chidera Ejuke, that Chidera Ejuke, me, I just like in performance when the way that they take on defenders and get into those positions, and in combination those give and go when you play with Collins. I beg, tell us how you see um Shidera Ejuke performance for today match.
Yeah, Juke try well because my person maybe say I don't dey follow for a very long time. Because the guy na big starter for a club CSK Moscow. He dey always start week in week out. They not dey use am play for the club at all. So the guy not really to me he not really live up to expectation. Though say he try do one or two things, but the guy did better than what we see today. Because I know the guy very well. The guy na Africa Ronaldo would they call him for this side because the guy did very good. He get quick feet and they fit connect with the attackers as well. So I believe say if the guy continue like that, he's supposed to get the first team, the first shirt for the Super Eagles because he no go add am at all because the guy get one special thing we will not get for the team, which is skill and the guy gets skill and the guy gets good feet, quick feet. We not today because I believe saying even them Moses Simon they're good but that guy get one particular thing dribbling like Ronaldo. We be say we don't miss for a very long time. Waiting things we be say the coach they give us back then. Entertaining football. The guy get time well for a leg. So I believe saying from time to time the guy if he get more chance to start regularly, we go see a man in Nigeria supporter they go fall in love with the guy well and better player.
All right, now no be like Oga Carl. And one thing when they sweet me with how with the season new players they boss out they enter the one boss out enter inside the Super Eagles team. Now the competition for place going into this Nations Cup and the World Cup will still happen too. The thing they sweet me for body say we they see more new players when be like say once they come they play them too once the OJC. And one thing for this our forward side of our game now one side where I see competition plenty well because you talk about that wing too. Remember, I said we get Samuel Chukwueze when be
Yeah,
like still okay because of injury, he never should they play this period. Chukwueze they play wing, Simon Moses day, Agwen Musta still day for that attack and the wing too. And we still get Alex Iwobi too, where they see they play either
on that.
side of the wings too. So but good one today. But real quick, we will just do the player rating and make you rate the players where be like see they play to today for the Super Eagles of Nigeria on a scale of 1 to 10. Make we start with the goalkeeper, Maduka Okoye. Now, what you go rate am?
Maduka na very good goalkeeper. I believe say before he go lose that number one shirt, he go hard well and the guy get good game today. He was good on the ball and everything. Still try to distribute some few passes from the back. So I think give Maduka like 7.5 today. Yeah, do well.
7.5. Okay, no be lie. Then what you go con rate Kenneth Omeru?
Omeru na one of the leaders for the game today. The guy try use the experience balance the game. So there was no plating shaky from the backside. So I believe say after the first goal, after that mistake from the first goal, the rest of the game they really balanced the defense very well. So I think give Omeru 8.0. The guy try well. He tried.
Okay. What about Shidozi Awaziem?
I was a try too. I was a you get one time say where they want even use put scatter yet for the first half. The guy
Yeah,
tried to get
that
goals.
I would tackle.
Yeah. So the guy I could give him 7.5. He tried to for the game.
What about Shehu Abudulai?
Abdullahi tried to from the right side. He tried, so I think give him 7.0.
Okay, 7.0. What about Collins, Jamiu Collins?
Jamie Collins tried to, he tried connect with the wingers with
Yes.
the left hand side. So they try bring us some
Mm.
few crosses too. So I think give Jamie 7.0 too in try.
Okay, what about Bonke Innocent?
Yeah, innocent try, but he not to appear for the game, But based on say, I believe say because of Davidson too, if he still gets some kind of fear, maybe stage fright and all those things. So the guy still try small, but we not really see. And maybe we go see more of him. I'll give him 7.0.
Okay, what about Kingsley Michael?
Yes, Kislin a very good player, and I want to play when I like well, because I know I'm from back then when the guy started from under 17. So the guy sabi get that heart of a fighter. The guy sabi play ball. So I'll give him 7.5. The guy try well for the game today.
Okay, now what about Moses Simon?
Simon tried too. Simon deliver some crosses, but I be dey expect more from him because I believe say supposed to use all those Quebec. Those Quebec people, they're wicked. They sabi play ball too. They're not great for Super Eagles,
Yes.
but the guy still try. I'll give him 7.5. He try for the game.
Okay, Shidera Ejuki Unko.
The UK try. I believe say na him they suppose give man of the match. Although say he no get any goal, any assist, but the guy really
Mm.
give us some kind things for the game. I'll give him 8.5. I believe say na him my man of the match today.
Maybe your man of the match. Okay, no be lie. What about captain? I mean Musa Skipo.
Musa tried too. Musa tried. Maybe na lack of gains for the team. I don't know what affect him, but the guy tried. He tried well, but not as much as we for expect him. I'll give him Musa 7.5.
Okay, what about Victor Osimhen?
Osimhen try. We can't see give us one good join. The guy deliver 8.0.
8.0. Then what about the substitute them? Terry Murphy, Erin Oyekuru,
Mm.
Paul Noasho, and Zadisu and Sanusi.
Yeah. The fact is they just come because most of them come very late in the game. They just
Very late, 70 something minutes, 80 something.
yeah. We still get the 3 points. I'll give all of them 6.0 each. They try.
All right, now no be lie, but going forward, Oga Carl, now waiting you to expect from the Super Eagles of Nigeria for the next games and the ones where they come.
The way the team don't been on a competition, but I believe say this one will be say all the players now don't play at the top of their game. I don't know how the coach will to select the team for the next game, say, because all of them they are their best right now and they try. So the next other game for the qualifiers, we go win them as well. We go win that Central African Republic. I don't even know them. I never watched them play before. So I believe all those ones safe now even walk over for us. The only game we go add us now say maybe we'll come play. This game they get second leg, Abi. They get return leg. All of them get return leg each.
Yes, all of them get return leg.
So the next game we go win the next game and we go. I not see us losing any game for now. Now only this KVS even give us problem again for future games. For maybe for return leg, but the rest other team we go beat them. And I just make the players be very consistent. May they no lapses that happen to them. I may no off feed thing like COVID happen to them again, so that we go get them together to move forward with the qualifying match. So I believe say we go get the result from the other games. So get the results.
Okay, now no be lie, Oga Carl. Thank you for your time as you did join us. Going to talk about the Super Eagles of Nigeria. We hope say you go enjoy the rest of your day. You too much.
Thank you so much.